Cats. This is how to add this animation to your website. This code defines two CSS classes, .img and .img inverse, which apply to HTML elements. Both classes set the cursor to a pointer, define padding, and specify a transition duration for smooth animations. Additionally, they each include an animation called move or move reverse, respectively. The @keyframes move animation gradually moves the element horizontally from left to right by translating it across the x-axis from -30 VW, 30% of the viewport width to the left, to 30 VW, 30% of the viewport width to the right. This animation lasts for 2 seconds and repeats infinitely in an alternating pattern with an ease-in-out timing function. Similarly, the @keyframes move reverse animation moves the element from right to left, translating it from 30 VW to -30 VW along the x-axis. This animation also lasts for 2 seconds and repeats infinitely with an ease-in-out timing function. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.